The group stage looks exciting with the some clashes that are irresistible. So the group stage is going on, which is irresistible to be informed and enjoyed. So we can predict that the excitement is to be noticeable or transparent to the world. Nebulous and equivocal as choice A and choice F mean anything hazy or ambiguous which is not clear enough. Thus, choice A and choice F are unable to match our prediction, and so they are unfit to fill the blank as correct answers. Besides, imperceptible means a state unable to see or notice, so it is also denoting the opposite meaning of the prediction has been done. So we can also eliminate choice B along with choice A and choice F. As the group stage is going on, so the excitement is also going on. That is, it is exciting in the present time, which it properly eliminate foreseeable as choice D, as it cannot fit the blank according to the logical view. Palpable and tangible as choice C and choice E mean anything noticeable which merge the meaning predicted as correct answers. So the correct answers are choice C and choice E.